the ones in front.
Just look at the ones in front all the time.
Remember the National Museum where we came?
Oh,
Over
that
there.
is it.
When you come back from Chaguma next time, you can come and see. Come and see it there. The Intercity bus station is on that side. That's it.
This is the roundabout south end of the Cairo Road.
Okay.
The main road is Cairo Road,
This one.
which subdivides in other
The
roads.
great, actually, it's just what they call the Great North Road,
North Road,
which comes from all the way from South Africa, going all the way to Congo.
Congo,
Okay.
So from here, this part is called the Cairo Road.
Cairo Road.
Anyway, according to roads, the white man who
Who founded this
founded
road?
this part of Africa for copper and so on. So he called this the Cairo Road. They meant to put that road from South Africa all the way to Cairo, but it never happened.
Okay.
So this part, according to another Rhodesia government, they called this Cairo Road,
Cairo Road.
which is called also Great North Road.
Okay.
So that's the south of Great North Road, going all the way to South Africa, and this their next roundabout there would be the Great North Road going all the way to Cairo. Not that there's a road going to Cairo, but you can still maneuver around and get there. No proper road. as such.
Intended to go to Cairo.
Yes,
but,
that was the plan Sisi Roads wanted to accomplish.
This coming building is a new Holiday Inn.
That's the new Holiday Inn, yes. This block, that one. It's not open yet. It's not complete, but that's what is going to happen.
Here